Hi everyone. So today we're looking at how to find the missing angle of a right triangle using inverse trigonometry. So I've highlighted here the angle that we don't know, angle X, and we need to determine which ratio we're going to use. Are we going to use sine, which is opposite divided by hypotenuse, cosine, which is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, and tangent, which is opposite divided by adjacent. So remember, SOHCAHTOA will help you get through it, okay? So first I highlighted, now I'm going to draw my arrows so I know the side opposite of the angle that is unknown. Okay. I also know this side, which is the hypotenuse of that right triangle. So opposite and hypotenuse, that means we're going to use sine. So sine of your angle, which is x, we don't know it, equals, and now my ratio. Remember, it's opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite side is 27, and the hypotenuse is 32. So we have done the first 4 steps already. We found the unknown angle. We found the relationships of the two sides that we do know to that angle, opposite and hypotenuse. And we determined which trig ratio to use and set up an equation. Now to actually find x, the angle, we need to use inverse sine. So inverse sine, to find x, we would find the inverse sine of that ratio. Okay, so let's use Desmos Scientific Calculator to actually find out what the inverse of 27 over 32 is, and that will tell us our angle. All right, guys, so we're going to type in what we just put on there, which was inverse sine. So what we need to do on the Desmos calculator, let's look. You'll notice that the Desmos calculator has sine, cosine, and tangent. So where can I find the inverses? Go to where right here where it says function. Okay, so I'm going to type inverse sine. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the main keyboard so that I can type 27 divided by 32. And make sure it says degrees. It should start out always saying degrees, so you shouldn't have to change it. You will learn about radians when you get to pre-calculus trigonometry. This is basic trigonometry. Okay, hit enter, and we get our answer 57, about 58 degrees if you round up. Okay, it was 57.5 degrees, so it rounds up to about 58 degrees. So we found the measure of this angle right here. And by knowing that angle, we could also in turn find the other angle because we do know that all 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. If you have any questions about how to find the missing angle and use inverse trigonometry, leave a message in the comments below.